Welcome to Real Life Maths with Bisi. Real Life Maths with Bisi. It's a platform whereby we talk about things that relates to maths, linking out subject to maths, and making it transformative for every learner that we come across. A pair of sneakers costs 12,000 naira. The store is offering a 25% discount. How much will you save? And believe we've actually been in a situation like this, but we don't know how to go about it. We always see, oh, discount of 25%, 30%, 50%. We'll be wondering, how do I calculate this? So how much whatever discount you face, you're saving one way or the other. Here we are in some days, in some months, in the month of December, in some months we'll be having some discounted price. So the original price is 12,000 naira. So our discount is 25% of 12,000 naira. So as we proceed, this we've already been told that the original price is 12,000 and the store is offering 25. So how much will you save? So what's the final price you pay? So now 25% of 12,000 naira, it's going to be, when we say percent is actually talking about 100. It's talking about 100. Yes, 25 divided by 100 times 12,000 naira is close to 3,000 naira. So you are actually going to save more if you if you run a discounted price. If a supermarket is running a discounted price. So that's it. Let's move to the next slide. Thank you. So our final price is going to be 12,000 minus the 3,000 that was gotten from the discounted price. So we are going to have 9,000 naira. So as a result of that, you save 3,000, you pay 9,000. Thank God we're almost getting close to when Jumia, Konga, they all run their discounted price. Buy this at a 30% or 40% discount rate. The more you buy, you're actually saving more. So that will be, so look at this. Our next, so you save 3,000, you pay 9,000 naira. You save